Have you ever found yourself pausing midday, gently pressing a hand into your lower back, silently wishing the discomfort would just melt away? You're not alone, and you're not imagining it. Lower back pain isn't simply a sign of getting older, it's your body's quiet request for care, movement, and smarter support. What no one tells you is this: relief isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right movements in the right way for an aging body. In today's video, I'm not just giving you 5 exercises to relieve lower back pain. You've seen lists like that before. Instead, I'm sharing 5 familiar movements, reimagined with science-backed insight, designed specifically for bodies over 60. These aren't just stretches, they're gentle tools that reconnect your brain, spine, and stability system, the trio that helps you stand tall, sleep better, and move with confidence. By the end, you'll understand not only what to do, but why it works, and how just a few mindful minutes each day can transform how your back feels and how you move through life. Your best years of movement may not be behind you, they may be beginning right now. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Exercise 1. Pelvic Tilt, the Spine Reawakener. The pelvic tilt may look almost too simple, but it's one of the most powerful movements you can give your lower back. What makes it special isn't strength or flexibility, it's awareness. As we age, the small stabilizing muscles around the spine often switch off, especially after years of sitting or guarding against pain. The pelvic tilt acts like a gentle reboot, restoring communication between your brain, core, and spine. Each slow movement reconnects dormant stabilizers, realigns the pelvis, your movement foundation, reduces pressure on the lower vertebrae, and improves posture naturally. It isn't a forceful stretch, it's a conversation with your spine, slow, mindful, and healing. How to do it? Lie on your back with knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Place hands on your pelvis. Inhale gently. As you exhale, tilt your pelvis backward, flattening your lower back into the floor. Inhale and return to neutral. Keep the motions small, don't lift your glutes. Repeat 10 slow reps, breathing naturally. If you close your eyes, you may feel warmth spreading through your lower back. That's reconnection happening. Exercise 2. Glute Bridge, the Hip Lifeline. If I had to choose one movement for active aging, this would be near the top. The glutes are your body's engine, yet after 60, they often weaken due to sitting, posture changes, or pain avoidance. When they stop doing their job, the lower back takes on extra load and pain follows. The glute bridge restores balance. With each lift, you reactivate the largest muscle group in your body, reduce strain on the lower back, improve balance and walking mechanics, and support fall prevention. This movement strengthens the posterior chain, the muscle system that protects your spine and keeps you upright. How to do it? Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip-width, arms relaxed at your sides. Exhale and press feet into the floor. Lift hips slowly, rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Gently squeeze glutes and hold 2 to 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Repeat 8 to 10 times, moving with your breath. Each repetition helps you rise, not just from the floor, but into your day. Exercise 3. Single knee to chest, the back soother. This quiet movement delivers deep relief. It gently decompresses the lumbar spine, opens tight hip flexors, and reduces pressure on the sciatic nerve, often responsible for pain radiating down the leg. But there's more. This stretch also restores diaphragmatic breathing, calming the nervous system and encouraging healing. As breath deepens, muscles soften and circulation improves. How to do it? Lie on your back with legs extended. Bend one knee and draw it toward your chest. Hold behind the thigh or shin. Avoid pulling the knee joint. Breathe slowly for 15 to 20 seconds. Release and switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds per side. This is a pause, a reset, a reminder that gentle movement is safe and powerful. Exercise 4. Piriformis Stretch, the Sciatic Release. The piriformis is a small, deep muscle in the hip, but when tight, it can press on the sciatic nerve and cause pain down the leg. Releasing it doesn't just reduce discomfort, it improves walking stability and balance, which is critical for fall prevention. This stretch works quietly but deeply. How to do it? Lying down, lie on your back, knees bent. Place right ankle over left knee. If this is enough, stay here. Or lift left thigh toward chest, clasping behind the leg. Hold 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Switch sides. Option, perform seated in a chair if lying down is uncomfortable. No forcing, no rushing. Let the muscle unwind at its own pace. Exercise 5. Hamstring stretch. The posterior chain reset. Tight hamstrings don't just affect your legs, they tug on your pelvis and pull your spine out of alignment. Most people don't have short hamstrings, they have inactive ones. This stretch restores elasticity, improves blood flow, and retrains the brain to trust movement again. How to do it? Lie on your back. Bring one knee toward chest. Extend the leg upward until a gentle stretch is felt. Flex the foot. Hold 15 to 20 seconds, breathing calmly. Switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds per leg. This isn't about touching your toes, it's about restoring balance, posture, and confidence. Practical advice for adults over 60. Start small and stay consistent. Choose 2 exercises in the morning, 2 before bed. Focus on sensation, not range. Use pillows, chairs, or walls for support. Hydrate and avoid rushing. Progress isn't measured by depth, it's measured by showing up. Final thoughts. Movement is freedom. Lower back pain can quietly steal joy from walking freely, sleeping deeply, and moving without fear. But today, you took a stand, gently, intentionally. Each movement you practiced sent a message to your body, I'm not done growing. Movement isn't about youth, it's about freedom, and freedom doesn't retire at 60. Bookmark this video, return to it often. Let it be your reset whenever your body feels tight or the world feels heavy. If this helped you, leave a comment. Tell me what shifted for you. We're not just stretching, we're building a culture of active, empowered aging. Healing happens in motion, and motion is your birthright. See you in the next video, my friend. Keep rising.